Hello.
Can you tell me what happened today?
The movie the name of the movie in Thai is La Papillon.
Then
Yeah.
what can you see in the movie? What happened to the movie?
There is bee, there is ant, there is pig, and there is cat and rabbit.
Hello, and what happened to them?
The first one, the person put their hand in the bee, in the bee's honey, and then the bee buzzed her here.
And the bee stung her.
The bee stung her, and then the bee died, and then the butt is here in her arm.
And then what happened to the girl now?
And I didn't see her. She has wound.
Did you go to the doctor? Did she see a doctor?
No.
Why? Why?
I saw the hand still in the table.
No. What else did you see?
And
what?
I see, and in the next one is rabbit and cat. And the rabbit, once you turn on something, it dance.
Hello.
Yeah, and the cat chased her.
And then what did you see there in the place that you went? You went to. What did you see?
There is present there, but when I raised my hand up, she didn't see me.
Oh, that's why she didn't give you the reward.
Yeah.
Did you cry when you didn't have the reward?
I almost cried.
Allah, you almost cried, but who told you not to cry?
No.
No one? Not your teacher?
The teacher didn't say because she didn't know that I almost cried.
You almost cried. But teacher Sarah told me that you want the sticker, right?
Yeah.
And then you almost cried, right? And then
I wanted that.
what did teacher Sarah told you? What did teacher Sarah said? What did teacher Sarah say?
I don't know.
And you teacher Sarah said that you told her you have a lot of stickers at home, right?
But I like more.
Like more what?
I want like a coloring book.
A coloring book? But you have a lot of coloring books in the drawer out.
But I
And
like
stickers
more.
too? No, we can buy more in the DIY when we go back to Big C, okay? Okay, is that okay? Is that okay? Did you have fun today? Did you sleep on the van? Did you sleep on the van when you went back to school?
I did not sleep in the van when I went to school, but I sleep in the van when I go to the film trip.
Hello, good job. So are you still sleepy? Huh? Let me bite you. Are you still sleepy? Can I bite? Are you still sleepy?
No, but I want the gift.
Gift? What gift do you want?
I want the dream castle.
What's Dream Castle?
The dream castle that you see in 20 baht. You mean it?
Yeah. But Mama told you that if you speak in the arena when the visitors come, right? When you speak properly and you speak proactively there, and you're gonna be a good girl, and you'll be a good girl, then Mama will buy you that one, right? Okay?
Yes.
Okay.
But
Promise?
I like it.
Promise? Pinky promise. Good job.
But I like the coloring book the most.
You like the coloring book the most?
Yeah.
Do you buy coloring book in Big C?
There's no coloring book.
There is. Stand up, babe. What's that? Oh, you have a lot of sticker. Oh. You can use
There's
the
cats. Which one do you want, Mama?
I think the heart one.
The heart one?
Yes, this heart one.
Isn't heart here?
Give me.
Go.
Stick where?
Stick here.
Thank you. Thank you.
Do you like the cat one? It's cute.
Yes, please.
Which cat one? Do you like the? Do you
I
like
love this one. I like this one because it says love.
Love.
Yeah.
Because you love me.
Yeah, I love you so
That's
much.
why I want the love.
Mm.
Go, Mama.
Thank you.
I'll stick it here.
Thank you. Kiss,
But
kiss. Love you.
now, which big heart do you like?
Big heart. This the biggest one.
The biggest one.
Yeah, the biggest one.
Okay. Looks big.
This one, the biggest one. Okay.
This is
You
pink.
stick it here too.
Usually I'll stick it here in the cat.
Thank you.
I'll stick in the cat.
Wow, good job. Thank
So
you.
the cat, it's in love.
Love you.
Mama, do you like this one? This is for cardboard.
No. Let's eat na.
I
Hungry na
don't
si
like
Mama.
the long one.
Why? Hungry na
have
si Mama.
this
Let's eat na.
heart.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye to them.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, guys. Oh, it's coughing. Bye-bye, guys. Say bye-bye, guys.
Bye-bye, guys.
Thank you. Some chocolate. Hey.